I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams. Hey,
hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, and I just did a pickup order for some groceries, and I started to put a lot of these groceries up. Y'all forgot I was supposed to be recording, so I'm just gonna run through what I got really quick. And I got me a piece of German chocolate cake from HEB. This is so good. I got lettuce because I'm gonna be making sandwiches. I got pickle, bread, sourdough from HEB. I got some blackberries, eggs, milk, a mini watermelon, all of my lunch meat, and some glazed croissants, tomato, avocado. Y'all, I don't even eat avocado, but I know I need to start. And then I love all of their sparkling waters. I don't think these are like the best to drink, but I like them. So I got all of my favorite flavors. I got plain cream cheese, queso dip, and French onion. I got a pizza from Sam's Club. I like pizza, y'all, so I get it. I told y'all I ain't the anti-inflammatory queen now. I got these chips, so healthy. I got some granola. I got my daughter's apple juice, and I got some extra virgin. I love getting it from Sam's Club because it's so big, it lasts so long. So I got 6 things of ground beef in the refrigerator. I love having ground beef. I already got my food cooked for Sunday. What I cooked is gonna last until Sunday. Then I got this pizza we're gonna eat until tomorrow. Food cooked for Sunday. And then I'm gonna be making sandwiches for next week. I'm probably gonna make the sandwiches during the weekend. I'm probably gonna make the sandwiches during the weekend, so then I don't have to do anything next week, but grab and go, girl. Anyway, I like to just check my pantry. I do need some more canned goods, but we're pretty fine. So yeah, that is everything that I got for today. I don't know if I'm gonna come back today to chat with you guys. I just got out of a meeting, and I'm looking for another job, so yeah, hopefully I'll have good news on that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this food up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all, sourdough bread in the freezer, it lasts so long. I just got ready. Yo, I slept in my makeup last night. I had to get up and wash my face before I get up. Okay, so I did that. My skin looks good. I'm proud of my skin, actually. I have to put something on my lips. But I did get some more fragrances from Dossier. And then this one is Floral Raspberry, inspired by Chanel Chance. Aqua Tint Lime, inspired by Giorgio Armani's Aqua de Gio. I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all. But here we go. This one, which smells so good. This is Summer Crush, and this is a seasons collection. This is the summer, from the summer collection. And again, this Summer Crush, it has watermelon, lemon, beach breeze. Oh, those are the top notes. Watermelon, lemon, beach breeze. Yeah. And y'all, this smells so good. This was another one I would wear outside. But it's Monday. Y'all, this smells, listen, this, girl, this smells amazing. Okay, like, ooh, this smells so good. So, if you guys want any of these Dossier perfumes, please go ahead and leave a link below. I will try to do a favorites of like YouTube shorts for my favorite Dossier perfume I have gotten. I'm probably going to get some more for the next 2 seasons, so be looking out. These are very inexpensive, especially if you want to start like your kids' perfume collection or cologne collection, or you want to get into fragrances a little bit more. This is how I started. I started getting Dossier perfumes, and now I work with them, which is so, it just makes me feel so good. But yeah, so right now I don't have to go to work, but I'm trying to do a few things for more income, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I also, y'all, it's so much stuff I want to do. I bought some new gadgets too, and one of them was this, so I can take with me to record when I'm like at the grocery store, at the gas station and stuff. I'll link this below. It is in my Amazon storefront. And then I got another just phone tripod for like at my desk or when I want to record certain videos. Let me show you. So I got this little stand here, y'all. This just comes in handy when you want to record sitting down like at a desk or a table, or you're on FaceTime. It goes high and short. So I got those 2 products this weekend. I have been doing more as far as content and leaking things. I am in a program where it's like a social media content creating program. So good. It's created by a content creator that I follow, who I actually trust, especially since I started the program. Her name is Amy Patet. So I'll leave that below as well. If you guys want to join, I'll just tag her, and you can go to her Instagram or DM her. She goes TikTok live. She's been trying to go every day, but I know it's the holiday, so follow her on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube to see, because sometimes she does give like an awesome deal. That's how I got in the program, and my goal right now is just to make my money back. So I have to like get on that, study. I had a good weekend, but it's time to get back to work. I went to the grocery store before the weekend started, honey. I don't play. So I got some things so I can get back on my eating. I got some more sweet potatoes, a lot of ground beef. I got some chicken wings and like some of my favorite bacon. So yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to study, and I'll come back and chit chat with you guys later.
It's what you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, game it. They can't stain it, they want something new. So let's get reacquainted. Became